Ka hukum na ka sarkar jala babaro ki pon rung shamegalia bakin habanle eka RT-PCR test wala kiladep ne umpadep na ya inject ya da COVID-19 kalapin Klumar ki nongwan chingo kai ki balapin sngo ba kani ka de karukom le kambiang satya nak banta jengki kum ki nongwan chingo kai kani kalapa santrik kulalangkot arajar arwar hakaba ki nongwan chingo kai ki lapin sngo ba kimio eka jingtha ka basai na ki bopriai kani ka khardop bat kambiang ru karkom trikam.
We reached here 12 o'clock and now it's 1:30, you know.
Okay.
And we are only sitting here. There is nothing to do, you know. We got say a 14 number token, but they misguide us. You have to do this. You have
to sit there only.
Yeah. Other one, that guy told us, no, you just have to sit. We'll call you. No, that's not done. No, we are tourists. We came here to, you know, see this place, and this is ridiculous. Came here,
Yeah.
that guy stopped us.
Okay.
They said no, you have to do RT-PCR.
And it is now 2 days only this procedure is started.
That too, we did 2 vaccines.
You already done
and then
2 vaccines.
Because see, these rules came from yesterday also. No, yesterday only. No,
No, today only.
today only. Yeah. So it will take 3 days to you know, take that rules and one day, within 1 day they said no, you have to do that test and all those things. So that is not in our mind. We came here to see this place. Yeah. So because of that we didn't did lunch yet. We didn't did breakfast. Some of us didn't did breakfast. So because of that our mind get pissed off. We have to just leave this place as soon as possible, right?
We are the tourists. Okay. We come to see the beauty of your Meghalaya. Okay. But the time which we required, no, because of this procedure and everything, no, we are getting stuck here. Okay. So our what we call our all schedules are stuck here. Okay, sir. So we get now minimum time to see the beauty of the Meghalaya.
Our 1 day is wasted. No?
Our 1 day already wasted because of this procedure. So for tourists, no, you have to do something fast procedure. Okay, so it will work.
And
This
first
is our suggestion to you.
No, and first of all, stop misguide us. Just tell the proper procedure what we have to do. We are willing to do that test. We don't have any problem to do that test. But you know, you do as soon as possible. We do as soon as possible. That's the
It means you are getting delayed.
yeah, we are getting delay. Yeah, because of delay we get pissed off.
Hakani ka checkpoint la sakhi ya ka jingkhamya bat ka jingbom burom ru ya ka kandon man pinya jangai wei nai wei pat wat hapadeng baka jalami kalia kalayo ya ka jingkhan kum ka jala ka bala sakta lang hau khnyang omicron bathmai jong ka khalam COVID-19 ha ka sautrik kulalangkot arajar arpuar nakaliang ba MB tongpe additional deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district ulong ba ka hukum na ka sarkar hi kalong man te lakam ya ka Chimpur state uniu khnyang omicron bathmai bat on pynkhlaiñ chu ya ka jingtrai kam ka checkpoint khnang ba kibriu kinum kandu jnia
Kuba fitip hi kani ka SOP kanang mi dang hakana ka sautrik mo pangim tangi hapat implement kani ha santrik de karang stang kensan magi on katin pareng kata ka tiding problem menu turis lawan kensan bat manta mensua umnan ka man aya kani ka RT-PCR report rimenta wahapan aya kani ka RT-PCR report de Henry ka primary concern hi ka bangi isim ko modusik ka safety jong ubri jongi manta dang sang kandan ke jing haba kin hapan upcome slam CCRC mentang ila streamline por khat hadin RLC kanum dan chuk ni problem jadi ka main concern hi ke safety kenang ba ubriu yu baru shani sapo jela ko jungi udi bandan ka RT-PCR negative report balada umdan ru un hapan test sang tu un hapan lech ka jaka bosa un hapan up hang tu hadu ban yu ka negative report bat nang tasami ngila increase ka manpower menenru EDC la ngila isong meeting bang bat EDC online ngila increase ka manpower ngila review bang ya baru khat thì accordingly PCI hari ni si banwan hi kan sadan kan kam janai kom pyniaid menta ngila wan ngarong lawan inspection stay tingila abu biang hini ki flex ki bangila insist baka mas wedding kalong compulsory social distancing lu kadi bendan bikitu kun rupun tingila abu extra ru kidan ki magistrates ki EAC thamai jongi di kemdang join kani new batch ye kini ki EAC thamai ru ngila abu ki hangte hapo entry point bikin ya pet lang Banyak maintain kamtam kan ka mask wearing but ka social distancing.